Hello, in this video I'm going to talk about how to collect too many items in Unity by using a great script. So first of all, let's create the items by click to the right bottom and choose a 3D object as a cube, then name it as item. After that, scale it, make it smaller by using scale, and then move it down. But you should edit the collider, so edit the collider like this to make the player take the item. Okay, now go and add a tag, add tag, and name it as item, then enter, then go to the item again and use the tag and choose item. This is important step. Now let's create too many other objects like this. So let's copy and paste by press Ctrl D, choose it, and Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. I want to make too many copies to this item. Okay. Now next step, let's create the script. Go to the script file and create a new C# script. Name it as item collector. And be sure of the spelling. Double click to the item collector script, and here you will find in the description the script. Control A to select all the writing, Control C to copy, then come here and paste it instead of this. So make sure that you name it all these objects as items, and so the maximum items is 10. So you can collect from 0 to 10. You can change the number, so I keep it as 10. Now let's save the script. Be sure that the name here, item collector, is the same in here. So let's close the script. Wait a little bit. Now choose the player. This is the player. This is as a capsule. So let's now drag the item collector script to the capsule, to the player. Now go down. You'll find these item count start from 0 to 10. So let's try to take some from these objects. So run the game. But before that, I think we forgot something. Let's see. Yes, I forgot something, and it's an important thing. I should made it from the beginning. Make is trigger to all these items, so I forgot to do it. So here, now I added all as trigger. So let's run the game and see. Now I took too many, so let's see the player. I took 4, so try to see this number. Now 6, I go here, 7, 8, 9, and 10. 2 remains. I can't take them because the script allows me to take just 10, and as I told you, you can change the number. So this is the lesson. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching, and bye.